Hi friends, good evening and welcome to my channel Mookambika Nursing. Friends, in this video we can see some important points for exam and we will see today some important terms. Here I am telling the terms and its meaning. Okay, we will see the terms. First one, alopecia. Alopecia means loss of hair. And the next point, dysphagia. We know what is dysphagia, that is difficulty in swallowing. And the next point, orchitis. Orchitis means inflammation of the testis. And the very next point, cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism means it's an undescended testis. That is, testis is not descended into the scrotum. That is called cryptorchidism. And the next point, phimosis. Phimosis means a condition in which retraction of foreskin is difficult. That is called phimosis. That is difficult to retract the penile foreskin is called phimosis. And the lobectomy, next point. Lobectomy means removal of the lobes of lung. That is any one lobe. That is right lobe or left lobe. Any lobe. That is called lobectomy. And pneumonectomy. Pneumonectomy means removal of entire lung is called pneumonectomy. Lobectomy and pneumonectomy. And the next point, gastrectomy. Gastrectomy means removal of the stomach. That is partially or completely. That is called gastrectomy. And the next point, ochoectomy, that is removal of the testes. And the next point, rhinitis. Rhinitis means inflammation of the nasal mucosa is called rhinitis. And the next point, gastritis. Gastritis means inflammation of the gastric mucosa is called gastritis. And the very next point, pneumonia. Pneumonia is inflammation of the lung parenchyma is called pneumonia. Okay, and that is orchiectomy, rhinitis, gastritis and pneumonia. And the very next point, encephalitis. Encephalitis means it's an inflammation of the brain parenchyma. Brain parenchyma is called encephalitis. Lung parenchyma is called pneumonia. And the next point, menorrhagia. Menorrhagia means excessive bleeding during menstruation. That is, during the time of menstruation, there is an excessive bleeding is called menorrhagia. Amenorrhea means absence of menstruation. And polymenorrhagia means increased frequency of menstruation is called polymenorrhagia. Excessive bleeding is called menorrhagia. That is number of bleeding. Number is increased. That is called polymenorrhagia. And dysmenorrhea means painful menstruation. So menorrhagia, amenorrhea, polymenorrhea and dysmenorrhea. Menorrhagia means excessive bleeding. Polymenorrhea means number of frequency. That is within a month 2 or 3 periods are coming. That is polymenorrhea. And amenorrhea, absence of menstruation. And dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation. And next, painful menstruation, dysmenorrhea. And rhytidectomy. Rhytidectomy means removal of large skin wrinkles and fold of the, that is face and skin and all, that is large skin wrinkles, folds and all removing. That is a type of cosmetic surgery. And blepharectomy means plastic surgery of the eyelids is called blepharectomy, important term. And rhinoplasty means plastic surgery of the nose. Plastic surgery of the nose is called rhinoplasty. Blepharectomy means plastic surgery of the eyelids. And the next point, abdominoplasty. Abdominoplasty means removal of excess abdominal fat is called abdominoplasty. And the next point, paraplegia. Paraplegia means paralysis of both lower limbs. And the next point, hemiplegia. Hemiplegia means paralysis of one side of the body is called hemiplegia. And next point, monoplegia. Monoplegia means paralysis of one limb is called monoplegia. And quadriplegia means paralysis of all the limbs. So paraplegia, hemiplegia, monoplegia and quadriplegia. Okay, paraplegia means paralysis of both limbs. Hemiplegia means paralysis of one side of the body. And monoplegia means paralysis of one limb. And quadriplegia means paralysis of 4 limbs. Okay, and the next point, pneumoconiosis. Pneumoconiosis means it's a lung disorder caused by inhalation of organic or inorganic dust or air substance. This is called pneumoconiosis. In that, first we will see inorganic dust, inhalation of inorganic dust. Due to that, what all the disease we can occurs, that we can see due to coal dust. Inhalation of coal dust may cause anthracosis, and inhalation of silica dust cause silicosis, and asbestos cause asbestosis or CA lung, and inhalation of iron dust cause cyridosis. And the next point, organic or vegetable dust, that include cane fiber. Cane fiber cause bagosis, and cotton dust may cause biocinosis, and inhalation of tobacco dust cause tuberculosis, and inhalation of hay grain dust cause farmer's lung. Okay, this all organic dust. Inhalation of organic dust may cause cane fiber. Organic dust include cane fiber, cotton dust, tobacco, and hay grain dust.